So, just wanted to show you guys this. Since 10/25 of 2013, I had thought that my Hoover wind tunnel model U5753-960 had a SZ brush roll instead of seized. I didn't know how to spell back then either, apparently. Lo and behold, it's just this little bitch of a screw. That's the fucker that made me think for all those years this vacuum was done for. So, brand new belt in here. And the same brush roll that was in this machine all those years ago. And it works. So, give you guys a quick run video. It's maiden voyage. It's a little rusty because it's sat for a long time. Needs cleaning. But let's go ahead and get it going. Definitely needs clean, that's for sure. Because, I don't know if you could hear that, but that's it trying to go back into the lock position. So it definitely needs some cleaning. So thanks for watching.